Pangatlong araw kong may trangkaso. Pangatlong araw na hindi na ako nakaligo. Kaya shower muna tayo. Grabe, talagang kagabi nanginginig ako sa lamig. Ganun pala talagang trangkaso. So, sana makarecover ka agad kasi in few days time, pupunta kami ng England. Hot shower muna tayo. Okay? Yan, nakapag-shower na tayo. Balik tayo sa ating lungga para hindi natin maikalat yung virus. Inhatiran lang ako ni Hana rito ng pagkain. Grabe talaga yung... Okay lang yung pangkakayanan ko yung ubo at sipon. Pero yung sakit sa katawan, yung... Talagang lamig na lamig ka sa buong gabi. Ganun talaga pag trangkaso, no? Yung buong katawan mo sakit. Tapos, feeling mo lamig na lamig ka. Okay. Si Hana at Sofia nasa Globus, nasa grocery stores. At least bumalik na yung aking ganang kumain. So, pinabili ko siya ng sweet bread. Yung paborito ko. Sweet bread. Sabi ko, punta ka muna sa Globus, bumili ka ng sweet bread. Yan So, at least pagkatapos ng, ito, pangatlong araw to, nakapag-shower na ako. Yung unang araw, pangalawang araw, talagang hindi ko kaya. Talagang kahit pagbango lang dito sa aking higaan dito, kasi may iba ako na higaan. Para hindi may kalat yung virus. Ayun. Paracetamol lang yung tinitake ko. Tsaka puro ako tea with lemon and honey. Yun. Nakakatulong talaga yung tea with lemon and honey. Kasi pag inom ko niyan, feeling ko sa katawan ko umiinit sa loob. Kaya naiibsan yung lamig ko. Pero ngayon hindi na ako nilamigan. Parang okay na ako ngayon. Yung ubot sipon na lang. Kaya nakapag-shower kagad ako. So, nag-worry lang ako kasi pupunta nga kami sa England this week. Good morning from Czech Republic. Medyo makulimlim yung araw. Okay. Ito yung pang-apat na araw na may trangkaso ako. It's getting better. Si Sofia, meron pa rin trangkaso. Kaya hindi siya pumasok sa school ngayon. Monday. At si Mamingka, may trangkaso din. Si Hana, pag alis kanina papunta ng trabaho, nagreklamo na rin. Dahil sa kanyang sore throat. Yung virus talaga malakas. Siguro pa dahil pa iba ng temperature na ng panahon. Pa-autumn na palamig na. Ito nga mahangin. Ang buwan ko lang kasi may flight kami to England this week. So hopefully makarecover. Praying to God na makarecover. Yan, si Sofia na sa baba nagbe-breakfast. Ako, nagtimpla lang ako ng tea. At umakyat kagad dito. How are you now?
I'm good. But like, I still have a lot of phlegm and just feel weak. I think it's getting better. Yeah, so I decided to have an everything shower. I scrubbed my whole body because I haven't showered in 4 days, so I really stunk.
I understand if you have a flu, really, you were shivering, cold, and understand that. Yeah, so hanggang ngayon hindi pa siya pumasok sa school. Mula nung Friday, hindi siya pumasok. Saturday, Sunday, at least walang pasok. Ngayon Monday, hindi siya pumasok. Ako naman, ito nga pang-apat na araw. Pero at least nakapag-shower na ako kahapon. Siyempre, kaya ko naman mag-shower na ngayon. Pero pag kailangan ko talagang tuloy-tuloy yung paracetamol, 1,000 milligrams yung iniinom ko every 6 hours. Pero dapat ngayon yung huling araw ng inom ko ng paracetamol. Dapat hindi ako mag-exceed ng 4 days. Kasi 4 days, pang 4 days ko to eh. Pero iba talaga yung trangkaso, yung talagang pumalo sa akin yung ating trangkaso. Okay lang yung ubusipon, parang pero yung talagang feeling mo, ang lamig-lamig. Na binalot mo na lahat ng katawan mo ng makapal na kumot, pero malamig pa rin ang feeling mo. So, okay na ngayon, hindi na ako nilalamig, pero yung ubo at sipon, andyan pa rin. Ganun din si Sofia, hindi na siya nilalamig. Yung ubo at sipon niya, medyo okay na. Sana maka-recover siya kaagad kasi nga Thursday pala yung flight namin sa papunta ng England. Bisitahin yung mga friends. Sana magkita kami ni John and family sa England. Kasi Thursday, gabi nang dating namin. So Friday, i-meet up kaagad ni Hannah yung mga friends niya. Yung mga close friend ni Hannah. Especially yung mga brother and sisters in Christ namin. Alam niyo na, 13 years din kami sa England, so parang nakapagbuo kami ng mga talaga, yung kaibigan talaga, lalo na sa church. Ayun, sana makapag-recover ka agad. So, did you have your lunch? What did you have? Nachos. What you call this, Pinkay?
You made a wrap?
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah. Only a wrap.
Yeah, okay. I'm going up because
There's more. There's still tortilla chips upstairs.
I don't like tortilla chips.
Okay.
I like wraps.
So, since we're sick, so me and Tata are drinking tea, and right now I'm making my tea. Tata's also going to have having in his mug, because, you know. So, this is what Mommy bought. It's like a pot. It says this is med, which basically means honey. Just take it like this.
That's honey.
You have.
Wow.
And let's wait for it to drip.
That's nice. That's very clever. Right?
That's what they use, these people who do.
Then if you want more,
If you want more, just
honey.
You can wait for it to drip, or if you're not patient like me,
yeah.
so just take it. This and then put more. I'm sorry, guys. My nose is blocked, so it might sound a bit weird. But you want more? Or do you want it really sweet?
Oh, that's it. That's for me, right?
Yeah, but if you want, then
Yeah. Okay. Wow. Yeah. We are really look sick. Hopefully, we're able to
get well.
recovered before we fly to England.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, my darling Hannah.
Thank you.
Oh.
We are just gonna
You cannot read it. You cannot read it.
to the most beautiful woman I know. Today we celebrate. Beep isn't just a number. It's a collection of all the love, wisdom and joy you are poured into everyone. Wow.
You are what?
You have poured.
Wisdom.
You have poured. Okay.
So, to new adventures and endless happiness. May this year bring more joy and blessings. With all my love, Sophia.
Galing ni Pinky gumawa ng kuna.
Look at this design.
Ng message para kay mami niya. That's why you have also you get the virus from here.
All what I love so much. What is this?
It's setting spray.
Kaya and she complains she doesn't have allowance anymore.
Setting spray.
Biscuit.
Gluten-free everything.
You bought for me this one.
And she called me Tatay, I spent so much money.
That's why I spend so much money in the Because you know how you know how much I spent so much money. I made it up that I spent it for the girls and then got the money
Yeah,
back.
I know. No, I mean, yeah, I know.
It's Hannah's birthday.
Yeah, I used to put the kettle here. No? It's
I
like,
don't have.
oh,
Yeah.
thank you.
Grabe talaga ang aking kaso ko nun off. Akala ko okay na ako. Pero talagang nanlalamig na naman ako. Grabe. Kinakabahan ako. Baka sabi ko pag ganito yung feeling ko at flight namin to England ay wag naman sana. Baka makancel. Okay. Talagang grabe yung virus. Kahit si Mamingka, meron na rin siya. Sabi ko, nandun lang ako kanina sa taas. Hindi talaga ako bumababa. Pag bumababa ako, kumukuha lang ako pagkain. Pag nakaganito ako. Yan. So, hinang-hina ako. Nagsaing muna ako ng kanin para makain ako. Hinahanap ng aking katawan yung kanin. Grabe. Grabe itong trangkaso. Parang ang sakit ng aking buong katawan. Tapos yung ubo ko. Tapos yung sipon. Ay. Okay. So, yan nga. Expected ko makalabas ako Saturday or Sunday para at least bibili man lang ng bulaklak or kahit anong simpleng bagay para kaya na. Hindi ko talaga nakayanan. Mula Friday, hindi na ako rito. Imprisoned. Friday. Nakipagkita ako sa mga Pinoy Thursday night. Friday, pagkagising ko, alas 4 pala na madaling araw, ramdam ko na. Saturday, hindi. Sunday, hindi. Ngayong Monday, talagang grabe na. Yung trangkaso, flu lang naman to flu. Kaya lang siguro yung virus talagang malakas. Si Sophia, tsaka si Mamingka, meron no? Mamingka is also flu. How about you?
No, I'm worried that I'm gonna get it, and just when we will go. Yeah, right. Okay, I need to pay the insurance, so I insure you with Unica, and I insure us with Aaron.
Yeah.
This is homemade jam. I got it from lady from work. And this one. Nice.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it.
Alright, okay.
Okay. And you, how are you?
It's on and off, on and off.
I think that's COVID, no?
No, but I have a taste to eat.
It doesn't matter. I had the COVID and I had a taste to it.
And I had 3 injection of COVID. So I don't
Doesn't
think.
mean anything.
Yeah. She's so loved.
Nicole. Negosy. To rada. Masaż, masaż, masaż. Masaż, masaż, masaż. Masaż, masaż, masaż.
May kwento ito eh. Di ba nung pumunta kami sa Prague isang gabi, talagang nanibago. Talagang siguro na-depress siya. So what she did here at home, she pooped and she peed all over.
Yeah, that's usually with the dogs when they are sad or angry or
Depressed, yeah.
They do. Yeah.
So,
Můžu si počít ještě?
but this 1 week when we go to England, we decide to,
The previous owner will look after her.
yeah,
So-
previous owner. So
Yeah,
Hannah
because-
asked the previous owner to look
Because
after her.
Maminka is too weak to do that.
Hmm.
Pac!
She loved to sleep with us. That's the problem.
Pac? Ty taky dáš pac? Pac? No všichni dáme pac dohromady. Tak jak ty psi, ne? Pac? Tak
Yes,
Pac? Pac? Ej! Pac? 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 Tady dej pac, tady dej pac. Ježiš. Au, 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 au. Au, 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 au. Are you biting me? Why are you biting me? Why are you biting me? Why are you biting me?
Balik lungga ako dito sa taas. At least dito, mag-isa lang ako. So, ang plan talaga ngayong araw sana, after ng office hours ni Hannah, lalabas kami para i-celebrate mo lang yung kanyang birthday, kakain. Kaso, hindi natuloy gawa ng ako at si Sofia ay hindi maganda ang pakiramdam. So, postponed. Dito lang kami sa bahay. Paparecover pa. Ewan ko. Yung sa akin, pabalik-balik. Kay Sofia naman, pag bandang hapon, parang bumabalik din yung malakas yung kanyang kwan. Ubo siya ng ubo. Pero mayroon kaming gamot na iniinom. At saka pa na yung tea at saka tea with lemon and honey. Hanggang dito lang muna. At please include us in your prayer. See you next time.